More hours will make you tired. They won't get you promoted. Comment the word promote below and I'll send you the exact framework I use with my one-on-one clients to prep for that promotion conversation. I want to bust one of the most common myths in consulting, that the person who works the most hours gets promoted. Now, I've sat in calibration rooms for over 3 decades. I've watched partners debate who moves up and who doesn't. And I can tell you, hours were almost never the deciding factor. Here's what actually came up in those rooms. Can this person run a meeting without me? Does the client trust them or just tolerate them? Do they raise risks early or do we find out about problems the hard way? Do they make the people around them better or do they just execute tasks well? None of those questions were about hours worked. They were about trust, ownership, and visibility. Let me break down 3 things I coach every client to build starting today. Number 1, own the room. When you're in a meeting, even a small one, stop showing up ready to just answer questions. Show up ready to lead the agenda, manage the time, and close with clear next steps. Partners notice who run meetings and who just attends them. Number 2, raise risks early. The consultants who get promoted fastest are the ones who tell their leadership, here's a problem I'm seeing before it ever becomes a crisis, not after. Silence when you see a risk isn't loyalty, it's a liability. And number 3, make your work visible without bragging. This is the one most technical, hardworking consultants get wrong. They simply assume good work speaks for itself. Well, it doesn't. Not in a firm with hundreds or thousands of people all competing for the same handful of promotion slots. You need to over-communicate your work, your wins, your client impact, and your growth. Professionally, not arrogantly. Here's your gut check for the week. Think about the last 3 client meetings you were in. Were you leading them or attending them? Think about the last risk you saw coming. Did you raise it or did you hope it would resolve itself or just go away? And think about your last big win. Did your leadership actually know about it or did it just live in your head? If any of those made you uncomfortable, good. That discomfort is useful. That's exactly the gap we close inside the Consulting Career Accelerator, turning technical excellence into visible, promotable leadership. Comment the word promote below and I'll send you the exact framework I use with my one-on-one clients to prep for promotion conversations. I'm Michael Hendrix and I'll see you on Thursday.